Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another video in Madlookz VFX. Me facing the camera and speaking. I think it's been like more than 7 months since I made a video like this. I just want to make a video of my journey through this unemployment period. My contract ended March. April I went to India for a small vacation and I came back in May. So this update or this video is only for the May month. Yeah, technically I'm an unemployed artist in Vancouver right now. To be honest, I never faced this challenge in my entire career. It's been like more than 15 years since I have started work in visual effects. It was long back. Yeah, as my contract ended, I'm looking for new opportunities. Mainly I was looking for compositing, means like a junior or mid compositor, not worrying about the financial part because it's really hard to find a compositing opportunity right now with my level of experience, even though I believe I have the confidence of performing well as a compositor. But I'm also looking for rotopane opportunities. These days I think Vancouver or the entire Canada doesn't have much opportunities in rotopane because most of the work are getting outsourced, and I believe some of the work are getting done using AI as well. This is the reality of Canada right now. I think Vancouver is one of the busiest VFX hub in the entire globe. In Vancouver right now the situation is not that great. I have applied for many roles till now, but I haven't got any reply from any of the applications. That means that there are a lot of people applying for the same role, or I'm not sure if they are actually hiring or not. Without doing anything, if we have a portfolio and if we start applying, I don't think we are going to get a reply because of so and so reasons. So I believe I need to find some interesting ideas to show myself as a good fit for the role which I'm applying. And I also made a plan because Vancouver is really expensive to live, and without a job it's really hard to survive here. So I can wait for 5-6 months searching for jobs and also shaping up my skills, mostly AI related. Yeah, after 6 months I'm not sure I will be able to sit on this thinking I'm gonna land in some job in future, because at the end everyone needs to pay the bills, right? So yeah, I never thought I will be facing this in my career. That's not because I'm a super talented artist. It's just like I put a lot of hard work. Till now I haven't faced any situation like this. Many of my friends had this situation before and they all shared their perspective, and I used to support them. I used to talk in a positive way to all of them, and also I used to refer them whenever an opportunity comes up. Yeah, right now I am feeling that pain, and I also understood one thing, that doing a lot of work doesn't matter to the community. The reason why I'm saying this, because I started my YouTube channel I think 8 years back or something. So after that I took a kind of a break, and then I came back and started posting videos like I think monthly once, or every now and then I used to post videos. At the same time I used to post in Instagram and also in LinkedIn as well. I used to share a lot of information and links of tutorials to everyone. I guess you all know that. The reason why I'm saying that doing all these things will not land you in a job or will give you a lot of opportunities, because I don't think this is what actually VFX community needs. Right now I'm just understanding that. I don't know actually what they need to be honest. I'm creating content from a long time, and sometimes some videos get very good clicks, but sometimes I put my heart and soul in one video and I won't get that much great attention, which is really disappointing. Yeah, this is the reality, I guess. Right now my plan is to apply for jobs, at the same time sharpen up my skills and also learn new stuff. I think AI is going to be an important factor for getting jobs in the future. I must hop into learning ComfyUI for sure. Also these days I'm seeing like Foundry already acquired GripTape, which is kind of very much similar to ComfyUI. I feel like if you're interested in GripTape, you can start learning that, or just basically learn ComfyUI, because I think that's the parent of every child, I guess. Yeah, so this is all about this month's update. I'll keep you updated for the June month by making a video in July. Hopefully I will land on a job. If not, yeah, I think I might need to have some patience, sharpen my skills and try further. I'll see you next month.